The delightful cashew, more than just a nut. Cashew trees are wonderful additions to any garden. They offer not just delicious and nutritious nuts, but a beautiful and exotic appeal. Native to Brazil, these tropical evergreens thrive in warm climates. They produce a unique fruit, the cashew apple, from which the cashew nut dangles below. The cashew apple is pear-shaped and brightly coloured. It can be eaten fresh, juiced, or used to make jams and chutneys. The cashew nut itself is a versatile ingredient. Enjoy it roasted, salted, or in various sweet and savoury dishes. Cashew trees are relatively low maintenance, but they require specific conditions to flourish. With proper care, they can produce an abundance of fruit for many years. Let's explore how to successfully grow your very own cashew tree. Preparing for your cashew, tree soil, sun and climate. Before you plant your cashew tree, it's essential to choose the right location. Cashew trees need plenty of sunlight. Select a spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Well-drained soil is crucial for healthy cashew tree growth. The ideal soil is sandy loam. This soil type allows for good water drainage while retaining some moisture. Avoid planting in areas with heavy clay soil. This can lead to waterlogging and root rot. Cashew trees prefer a warm, humid climate. They thrive in tropical and subtropical regions. If you live in an area with cooler temperatures, you can still grow a cashew tree in a container. Planting your cashew tree. A step-by-step guide. Planting your cashew tree correctly is vital for its growth. Start by digging a hole twice the width of the root ball. The depth should be equal to the height of the root ball. This ensures ample space for the roots to spread out. Gently remove the cashew tree sapling from its container. Loosen any circling roots to encourage outward growth. Place the sapling in the center of the hole. Make sure the top of the root ball is level with the ground. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the base of the tree. Water the newly planted tree thoroughly. This helps to settle the soil and eliminate air pockets. Caring for your cashew tree: watering, fertilizing and pruning. Cashew trees need regular watering, especially during their first few years. Water deeply once a week, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Reduce watering during the dormant season. Fertilize your cashew tree every 3 months. Use a balanced fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. Apply the fertilizer around the drip line of the tree. This is where the roots are most active in absorbing nutrients. Pruning helps to maintain the shape and health of your cashew tree. Remove any dead, diseased or crossing branches. Prune annually after the fruiting season. This encourages new growth and more fruit production in the following year. And thank you for watching the Bearded Garden channel, and stay healthy, my friends.